The Orbit tool lets us look underneath our shape, select Orbit, and then click and drag so you can see under the shape. I'm going to zoom in a little bit with the scroll wheel, and I want you to find the awesome Offset tool. When you click Offset on the edge, it gives you an adjustable offset, and I want you to type 1 foot so that we have that 1 foot offset created. Select your Orbit tool so we can look under the shape. Choose the Move tool. Please note that in the next step we're going to use the modifiers, so watch the bottom of your screen to see what they are for your system. And then go to the center of that hull where it says On Face, click and let go, tap Control once, tap Alt once, and you are in Auto Fold mode. You want to keep the blue line so that you're on the blue axis, and you need to go down 3 feet. You can infer the 3 feet by going to the origin and then going back to the blue line so that it snaps. Once you've done that, make sure you click Save before moving on.